Welcome to Weblium. In this video, we're going to show you how to launch a website. You've already picked a template. Now, let's try editing. Start with a page layout. Your pages are made of blocks. Click Add Block to create a new block. You can add or delete elements to match your design. To edit a block or column, open Settings. Here you can change the layout, background, style, or other settings. Open Site Styles to choose brand colors, fonts, and button designs. Click any text to start editing. Click an image to replace it or download a new one. You can upload images, pick free stock images, or create images with AI. You can add and set up a contact form to collect requests. Open the Integrations tab and set up your contact form to receive requests. You can direct them to your email or to other services such as Telegram, MailChimp, Zapier, and others. Preview the mobile and tablet versions using the device icons. Your site looks great on any device. Everything adjusts automatically, but you can also set a unique look on specific devices manually. If you want total design freedom, add Flex Block. Drag and drop headings, images, buttons, products anywhere inside the block. Overlap elements, change sizes by pixels, and precisely position any elements, all in your flexible, non-grid layout. If you are selling, time to connect a store. You can sell both physical and digital products, different downloadable files. You just need to add your items, prices, and images. Use promo codes to provide special offers and discounts. Your website is almost ready. Publish your site and make it accessible via a link. And remember, you are not alone. Try Evo, your AI assistant inside Weblium. Use it to build faster. It's like having an expert by your side. You can keep using Weblium features for free, or you can upgrade to Pro Plan to get a custom domain, improved SEO and online visibility, free SSL, Google Cloud hosting, and other advanced features. That's it. Go build and publish your website today.